Want to create YouTube videos using Clipchamp? You can combine video clips, images, music, text, captions, voiceovers, and effects to create a complete YouTube video. In this guide, I'll show you how to make a YouTube video in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and select Create a new video. Give your project a name, then open the editor. This is where you'll organize your media and build your YouTube video. Next, import the videos, images, and audio you want to use. You can drag files into the media library or select Import Media. Then drag your clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the order you want. Now start editing your footage. Trim unwanted sections, split clips, crop the frame, adjust the speed, and rearrange your scenes. Keep the opening focused so viewers quickly understand what the video is about. Add titles, headings, captions, or other text to make important information easier to follow. Keep your text clear and readable, and avoid putting too much information on the screen at once. Next, add background music or a voiceover. Keep background music low enough that it doesn't overpower your narration. If you're creating a tutorial, a clear voiceover can help explain each step while the screen recording shows what you're doing. You can also add transitions, effects, stickers, and other visual elements. Use them carefully so they support the video instead of distracting viewers from your main content. Before exporting, play the complete video from beginning to end. Check your audio, text, timing, transitions, and overall presentation. Make sure there are no unwanted clips or silent sections. When your video is ready, select Export and choose your video resolution. For YouTube, 1080p is a great choice for high-quality HD video, and Clipchamp supports direct YouTube uploading for personal accounts. And that's how to make a YouTube video in Clipchamp in 2026. Create your project, import your media, edit your footage, add text and audio, preview everything, and export your finished video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.